Okay then guys, part 3. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you have, if this is your first time at this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever you may do. I mean, I'm doing this, whether I'm doing it right, whether I'm doing it wrong, I don't know. I'm learning the same as I said before. This is something I think everybody can do who owns a, me personally, it's just a Land Rover. I reckon you can do this, doesn't matter what you own. Car, minibus, van, truck, it's all upholstery. And I reckon with a little bit of knowledge, same as me, I've watched YouTube, seen how roughly this is done, and think, right, okay, I can do the same. So you guys are with me from this adventure from the very start. Hopefully all of you are, those ones that are subscribed, and this is it. So what we got to do now is this got to be, that's the one marked there, so now we turn this one inside out, and then we got to pin it the same as the other one, as the back that I've just done, which was in part 2, and all the zip and everything was in part 1. So we get that in there, just like that. A bit repetitive for those that's already seen this, but we're all on a learning curvature to try and see what we can do on our own. So, okay, that's in there, and it follows that line. Put a staple in there, hold it in place. Same at the other end. Are we on again? Are we on again? Yeah, just a little bit again. Put that in there. Staple in place. Fold him down. And staple it up all the way along there, guys. Okay, and that. Same again here. Turn it round, get the other side in. This is where everything becomes awkward now. Put that line in there. There we go. Okay. Again up here, put it through, get it in there, in that groove, get that there, staple him up, fold him over, beautiful, staple him in the middle, and work our way out. Now the ends. They were a bit of a nightmare on the underside, so I'll presume them not to be any different this time around. Again, just making sure that they're hitting that corner all right, which they are. Or it is, I should say. Not they are, it is. Jeez. Okay, get him in that. Sorry guys. Got my arms and stuff in the way. Trying to get this done. And that there. Okay. Nearly there. It wants to bite me. Nearly there. There we go. Right, let's get a staple in there and hold that monkey. That's it. Same down this end. Let's staple in there. Hold that one. And fold him down. And we have got ourselves it matching. So, right. Go through. Then the other side. Or the other end I should say, sorry. Put the other end down in there. Staple that in. Staple that one in. Fold him over. In the middle. And over. There we go. That's all stapled up, guys. Ignore that line. The line I'm going to be following when I'm stitching up is this one. So again, start it from the back. I've opened a zip up because I'm thinking to myself, how am I going to get in there? I mean, I know I can get it underneath eventually, but it'll be awkward. So, yeah, we'll start on the back. We'll go to the sewing machine now. We'll get set up at the sewing machine, and we'll be back to you in a minute or two.